Hey guys, I'm super tired after a long day at office, but I'm equally excited because I've got something today which I am going to unbox now, and this is a DJI MAVIC Mini. Yes, I'm going to quickly unbox it and show you what all it has. And yes, while unboxing, I'll just tell you one of its feature, which 249 grams mini drone. Yes, which surpasses all the regulations needed for flying. So yes, let's go ahead. As I unbox, I'll tell you it is it comes under the category of nano drones, and this is my first drone. It's a 2.7K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and most importantly, it is trusted product from DJI under the brand MAVIC. So yes, what's all in the box? We have this controller. Let's open this. Yes, so this is the controller. Yeah, so this is the controller. Cool, pretty awesome. Feels premium in the hand. Cool controller. Then we have some kind of box in here. Let's see what all it has. It had got some screws, a USB type 2 cable, a screwdriver. Then these are connectors for Android type C and iPhone to the joystick. We have a few propellers. Yes, that's all. Some manuals and how to use kit stuff and all. Let's give them back. Let's take this out. This is MAVIC Mini. Just yes, like this. This is the MAVIC Mini. Yes, the camera, if you can see, DJI, it has a very premium feel. And so basically I am in a no-fly zone right now because my house is near the airport. But yes, and even I need to activate this before flying anytime. So yes, this was unboxing. See you soon with some crazy videos and photos. See you, amigos.